Hey guys, I'm Marcus Maloney. This is my wife, Stephanie Maloney, and we are from Santan Valley, Arizona. So we're kind of new to 7FF, but the great thing about it is just from the time that we started, many doors have been opened for us. It gave me the authority to say that I can go out there and do my business on a grander scale. So I started, smaller, and then as I started growing and developing, I had that mental roadblock saying, well, I think I'm at my peak. And when I joined Seven Figure Flipping, I noticed that there's so much more that I can do. And 7FF really support me in everything that I'm doing and really giving me the tools that I need to get it there. One of the key things that I like about 7FF also is the holistic approach that they bring to a real estate investor. As an entrepreneur, we always thinking of the numbers. We input $1, can we get $7 out? Well, with 7FF, it's what are your family dynamics? What are your spiritual components? What are your environmental components? What are your health goals in order to push you forward once again? So it's not only, how much money you can make all the money in the world, but if you can't live to spend that money or to give that money to someone, then it's useless. So they provide that for us to where we can look at everything in its totality. So the whole man, the whole family, everything. Small accountability groups is something different, than other masterminds, and 7FF does it to an exceptional level. Becca has really built this thing out, and what it does is you track everything that you want to do, and your other 7FF members hold you accountable to that. So one of my things was my accountability group started at 6 o'clock in the morning, and they were expecting me there at 6 o'clock in the morning. And guess what? I made sure I was there at 6 o'clock in the morning and made sure I had all of my tasks completed. So it helps push me along that road a lot further. And that was one of the main pieces that I needed in 7FF. And one of the reasons why I joined was because of the accountability. I know it's going to help us with the deal flow, and not only the deal flow, but even working with our employees and the people that we work with, how to manage them better to where they can manage the deal flow even better. Why real estate with me is because it's born, bred, and it's inside of me. And I know the possibilities that real estate can bring to not only me, but to my family, to my grandkids that I don't have yet, to my great grandkids that I don't have yet as well. So real estate is just that vehicle for me to get to that financial freedom place that we are all looking for. Freedom is really being able to provide for my family how they expect me to provide for them. So that's having no limits, being able to go if I need to go, being able to purchase something if I need to purchase something, being able to give out of my abundance to anyone else that may be in need. And that's one of the big things that we're big on, is making sure that we give, and we just want to have that freedom to give, exponentially. I wasn't hesitant at all. I knew in my heart and in my spirit it was something that I needed to come to, because I needed to connect with the people that I'm seeing over the computer. So it's good to shake hands. It's good to see and fist bump and things like that, and really have that eye contact with the speakers and everyone else that's in the group. And the great part about it is not just the speakers, but it's the other people that are in the group, in the room with you, because they're knowledgeable as well. So you can pull them to the side and talk to them and ask them questions. So I was a little hesitant about paying the money to be a part of 7FF. Yeah. But I knew it was an investment in me. In order for me to get where I needed to go, I needed to be around the people that are already there. So I saw it as a trail for me to blaze. And in order for me to blaze that trail, I needed to make sure I had all the necessary resources, equipment, and tools and people that were pushing me along. My wife is she's great at pushing me forward, but sometimes I need the dynamics from others to help push me along. And 7FF really provided that for me. Although I was hesitant, I knew that it was something that I absolutely needed. And my wife, she'll tell you, I prayed about it for like a month. And I was like, okay, God, is this what I'm supposed to do? Is this what I'm supposed to do? And once I got that answer, it was like, okay, I'm not going to be able to figure out how I'm going to do it, but I know that this is something that I need to do. And the provision has been there ever since.